To my channel. Today I will be unboxing and showing you this insect killer. So this is a Raid Max automatic advanced multi-insect system. So it's killing mosquitoes, flies, cockroaches and ants. So there's also like a 12-hour and 24 hours protection. It's indoor unit only, so 5-in-1 protection. Okay, so here's some instruction on how to assemble it, but I will show it to you later on. Okay, so it is, I think, powered by a 9 volts battery. So I open this now, so you can see. Okay. This is the cover and has a battery. So this one is the one you attach at the wall with the screws. So the screws are not included, so you have to provide your own screw. Okay. Then, so here is the replaceable insect killer. So once it's finished, then just replace it. Okay, now I will show you how to install it. Okay, this is the one that is dispensing. So there's option here, 12 hours and 24 hours, then 0. Okay, so make sure it is at 0 when you put the battery. So just remove the battery cover. So it's a 9 volts battery. Then put this here, so make sure it is 0, then insert the battery. So you cannot have wrong orientation because of the connector, so just put it where it is possible. Press it in. Okay. Now it's in, then just push it in there. Okay, now you see here, this is the one attached to the insecticide. So just remove the cover of this one. Yep, a little bit hard to remove it first. So you can see this one matches with this one, so just put it down, then press. Now you can hear the click, then it is good to go. And just put this thing here, then it's ready. Okay, so this one is placed at the bottom. You can see the bottom part like this. So this one is put in the bowl, and this one is facing towards the room. This is the side of the wall. Okay, once you place this one on the wall, then it's time to set this one to 12 or 24 hour protection. Then after 10 seconds it will spray the chemical or the insecticide here.